Yo, what is up? Okay, so we're back out here on the Real Life Farm Series, Rocky River Ranch. And yes, we got ourselves our new hat, our John Deere PTG equipment hat, thanks to Michael Lawless and Beals Farm. I can't think of the name there. So Michael Lawless and Beals Farm, shout out to both of you. This episode is going to be strictly probably a farm tour of my farm and of what my family runs. So we'll drop the hat and get the GoPro up on our head, and then we'll get going. So come on, get up there. All right, so that's set. Yeah. So we got our hat on, we got the GoPro. I got my music going in my ear. So here we go. So we'll start off down here. This is where our pond, down here is where our pond is, but I'm not going to actually. Down there's a 1963 Gale skid steer. So as we're coming out, we'll start with the trailer. We'll leave the tractor for last. So to start out here, it's our livestock trailer, bumper pull, as you can tell. Corn Pro, I think that's what that says. Corn Pro. Our lamb stand for the sheep, which are in there, which I'll show later. So we put them up here to shear them or wash them. All our soap and stuff. The ramp to get them up on the stand, which but it can buy me a boat. You can buy me a truck to pull it. You can buy me a Yeti one, tail eyes down on some silver bullets. So I'll show you guys the inside of the trailer too. So we screwed a board to right here. Board, buy me a boat. Board, and then it's duals, chalk, and then so this here goes on the end of our hose, and we spray the calves, the lambs, pigs with it. And then you've got your head and shoulders classic clean zone, dandruff shampoo, so whatever that word is, zinc dandruff shampoo, classic clean shampoo with vitamin E, 38.8 fluid ounces, 1.15 liters, 100. And then you got your mane and tail for calves, pigs, sheep, goats, horses. We got our brush to brush them. Same thing, brush, another brush. Cap for this here. Revive skin and hair conditioner. Scrub brush. Silt lamb spray. Heavy duty pro spray bottle. Chemical resistant. Growy. So we'll go ahead and show the inside of the trailer real quick. Come on, go. Okay, so in here, so I was right, as I said, board goes all the way here. Our gate's still here from the last show. Board. So this is where the calves will go up here. Lambs will usually go back here. Head gates. Another board. Now, where's the hazard? Is this it? Is this the door? So this lever here, it'll lock. Is this it? It'll lock one of the doors that's right here. So like if the calves are up here, it keeps them separate from the lambs back here. So that's it for the trailer, minus there is something on the other side. Ah, come on. Yep. Spare tire. So this door here, it's rusted shut. Like, see, I can't even get that to move because of how bad it's rusted. So that's the trailer. And then I'm gonna, so feed bags, junk, boards, more gates, our skid loader, or not a skid loader, our wheelbarrow. As you can see, we use it to move like bedding and stuff, which I'll show when we go into the barn there. So I'm just gonna climb the gate because it's easier instead of having to open the gate. I mean, technically opening the gate probably would have been easier than doing what I'm doing, but so we put this gate here to makeshift like a gate so the tractor, which I'll show off in a little bit, to get out. Same here with this gate, but this gate is primarily used for our squeeze chute, which is right here. So while I'm out here, I might as well run water. Oh, I gotta turn the hydrant on yet. So put that in. So our squeeze chute, one gate, the other gate, the table that we put like the shots and stuff on,